So there's a blood moon tonight. Lunar eclipse, that's kind of cool. That's what I get trying to film eclipse from a moving boat. So I would have definitely done the lettering myself. I had got a quote at through the marina. It was going to be $100 US was the estimate, and just for going uptown, getting it done myself with a little help from one of the ladies at the office. It's 100 pesos, so that's a 15th of the price. Another about $6 to get it installed, so figured might as well get it put on straight by the guy who knows what he's doing. There she is.
I know, but I think the Spanish.
Oh no, well, it is kind of a way when you think Mexico's cheap. So you guys you got power here, so you obviously got a TV or something.
We don't even have a TV at home.
You don't even have a TV on the boat?
Silas. Well, I knew she needed to be able to make money somehow, so I got that dress. She's paying me back for it. So that he can talk at all. I know. Yeah. Well, I haven't been singing. No.
Do you like the new lettering?
It's a good color.
AB.
Yeah, I like the color.
Yeah.
Hinterland.
I got my fish start today.
Especially when you really
Alright, Donna and Karen are heading out to La Cruz. Their boat's name is Bugler. Hope you can hear that. That's him bugling away. Just think we might have saw a crocodile. Not sure.
What kind of life is the life that I want?
Okay, well, appreciate that. Thanks so much.
No!
Okay, we're just about to grab an iguana here. So, okay.
It's a funny looking fish. It's a
Agarré la cabeza, agarré la cabeza.
Whoa! Got it!
There you go. Want a picture, guys? Who wants to hold it?
Not me! You can touch it!
Nah, I mean, you can hold it with him. You
Just
can
touch
hold it if you want.
You grab it. You want to touch the tail, Shia?
Ooh! The tail
Kind of
feels
scurry
good.
the fish tank. Then when you do it once,
I want to make it swim.
No, so put them back on the branches.
para déjame prenderlo para...
Catch and release.
Yeah, and we could touch that and plus the roof. I would have been one of them if I didn't get my shoes. Dad, I think this one's dead. Where's disgusting?
What you giving me?
You get one.
I get one what?
This. Shell.
Oh, thank you. Things about boat life everyone's telling me is there's always work to be done, and one of the reasons we bought this boat is because everything worked, or pretty much everything, as we're finding out is there is a couple outlets that weren't working, so replaced this GFI outlet. Fortunately we're in Mazatlan and there's a Home Depot, so pretty sure that the way that it's wired, that's the reason why the aft cabin outlet isn't working. But we'll find out real soon here. Alright, so I wired it up and it would not work at all. And then I kind of confirmed my suspicions that it was wired incorrectly originally. See that little green light? That means we got juice now. And the old microwave shows action. Probably are going to be getting rid of the microwave just to save some space, and because we won't be at the marina very much longer, and maybe not at all after this, but we will see. I think I wanted to do some Highland dancing today.